I can see her! This way, hurry! That was kaleidoscopic! The snow shifted out from under us, like the mountain wanted to give us a ride.
That's not good. Sudden snow shifts are a sure sign of prime avalanche conditions.
An avalanche? That's when all the snow comes zooming down the mountain, right?
Carrying trees, rocks, and everything else in its way along with it. Yes.
Floof! Whoa! Sounds fun!
Avalanches are very dangerous. Since we don't want to trigger one, I say we step lightly. Constructomax, construct snowshoes.
Snowshoes! Now we can walk on top of the snow! Cool idea, BB.
Please, somebody help me!
We're on, Snow Rangers. We're coming, Patty! We hear you! Patty, it's us! We're here to help!
Rainbow Rangers, yes, thank you! Now get me out of here!
Please? First, let's make sure you have enough air. Floof?
Floof, floof!
Thank you, Floof. Your air tastes like cotton candy.
Now I'll bust you out! Strength power! Whoa! Rosie! Speed power! Thanks, Indy. No problem. You okay, Patty?
I'm okay. I want to get out of here, though. And we'll get you out. But we have to stay away from the top of the hole. The snow isn't sturdy enough here.
How do we get her out if we're not at the top of the hole?
We dig down and across. From there. Constructomax, construct a shovel.
So now we just need some super speedy digging, right? Speed power! Here's Indy! And Rosie, too. Let's get out of here for real this time.
Yes! Thank you! Floof! Floof!
They'll get her out. I'm sure of it.